Alright, it's gonna be my first look at Expedition Mode. I have not seen it before, but all I know is it's like Rain World, except you die. Well, when you die, you don't come back. I think I'll just do this normally. Let's see. I guess I'll just play as Survivor. Oh, is this music too loud? Hold on. Alright, sorry, I had to turn the music down. It was way too loud. Alright, let's start as Survivor. Should be good. Let's go. Alright, where am I? Oh, hold on, I'm gonna guess. Dream system. Oh my god, I'm right. I'm so good. What are my quests? Goo. Visit Subterranean Echo, Skylands Echo, that's gonna suck. Earn 70 points from creature kills this cycle, that's also gonna suck. And I don't see one in this room. Oh god. Oh, already? I died already. Bro, what's gonna happen? Her death. Is it gonna take me back to the menu? No, it just takes me here. Wait, what? Why are we taking me back here? Oh, it just doesn't change the cycle. Don't go. If I go down, I'm dead. Yeah, we're starting a new one. That same spot I was in last time. Is this subterranean? Or is this the exterior? If it's exterior, I'm restarting. Oh, it's subterranean. Oh. This is a horrible spot. This is like endgame. Oh god. I'm gonna die, aren't I? La, 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 la. Peacefully swimming. Nothing shall stop me. Moment. I gotta get out of here. Probably not gonna be an easy thing to do. Because I'm in a difficult area. Oh my god. Hey, good thing I'm not down there. I'll leave you two alone. To do whatever it is you're doing. Fighting down there. Get out, get. Is this a monster kelp spot? It's not. Oh yeah, it is. Hold on, watch this. Wait. Oh yeah. So good. And I kill him if I do this. I think. Maybe. Please. You dead now? He's gone, yay. Hey there. Thank you. Uh-oh. I want him to come through here, but I don't think that's happening. Run. Oh my god, I made it past. Let's go. Cooking. I am cooking. So hard. Alright. Oh my god, no, you got it. Can I go away? Wait, well, I can't go that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna like keep taking that out of his face. Can I? Oh, no. Oh. Alright, yeah, we're starting a new place. That's a bad spot also. Where are we now? This also looks like drainage system. But no, it's probably industrial waste. It's industrial waste. Good. I can go to garbage wastes. I mean, not industrial wastes. No, duh. This is industrial complex. Not smart. But, nope. Up is bad. Okay, my map is not saved. Oh, everything's terrible. Everything is terrible. Please, go away. Gimme. He's not going away. He's not going away. Oh, he just took my spear. No! Oh. Okay, I'm starting here still. Please. Why do you have to be so difficult? Is there a spear? Maybe one in another room. I need to protect myself. Oh, food. And a white lizard. Go away, please. Please. Ah. Yes. Food for me. There might be something to the right. Oh god, he's back. Yeah, there's something down here. What about this? This is where I died multiple times in my first playthrough because I couldn't figure out how to get across the gap. But now I know. I'm not gonna risk getting that food up there. Please. Leave me alone. Good. Could eat your children, but like you're kind of protecting them. It's for you. Yummy. Easy food. Yum yum yum. Oh, I dropped my spear. Need that. Okay, it's like this way. No, that's a shelter. Need one of those? Yeah, I do need one of those actually. Egg bug. Oh. Leave me alone. I can kill this guy if I really wanted to. Probably. Unless he kills me first. There we go. Don't think I can eat him. Nope. But I killed him. That's one thing. And I need karma to go to industrial waste. I mean, garbage waste. Which would be a little more dangerous in this area, because this is like the second area of the game. Why is that red? That doesn't seem like a good thing. I feel like I should not die. Next time. Guinea over there. Gotta sneak around the Guinea. And go up. Back. Flies. Guinea's back. Guinea can't come up here though. Different Guinea. Can't really kill these guys because they're really strong. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh no. Gotta hide. Killed that guy. Wait, no, he's still alive. What are you doing here? I don't remember you being here. Oh my god. No. Thank you, Karma Lizard. Oh crap. Okay, get up here. And freedom. And there's food over there, but I'm not going there. There's food here. I go in the water. And take that. Get away from me. These guys aren't gonna harm me. They also won't die. They just try to take my stuff. And they threw me in the air. I need these fruit. Bubble fruit. Took my 2 spears. Oh, and I can sleep again. I can still kill the blue lizard pretty quickly if I play it well enough. Oh crap, leeches. Can we please go away? Let's think. The most dangerous thing here is like probably scavengers if I'm mean to them, and otherwise vultures. And leeches. Depends though. Depends on what happens. Like there's leeches right here and they're already grabbing onto me. They just kind of pull you underwater and just kill you instantly. Well, not instantly, but you know what I mean. Oh, God, no! That's unfair! What did I do? Oh, wait, there's the path down here. I'm taking a really good path. Just pop these in the water. Eat. Said eat. It's not that hard, buddy. Eat. Okay, do I need to waste my spear to get up here? I think so. Can I reach that? I can't reach that, I'm gonna be really mad. Although I think there's another spear, so. Okay, good. We'll go back to 0 or 1 karma. They got my little error meter at the bottom. It tells me where it is, where I'm at. It's helpful. And I will not be going in the water because I feel like that would kill me. Oh no, the water. That did not kill me. I will not be taking these bubble fruits because I still feel scared about going in the water. Oh yeah, there's a leech right there. I don't like this spot. This is scaring me. Yeah, no. Reach up there. Yes! Oh, I'm back here. No vultures, please. What is going on here? Please leave. Oh, one of them's getting trapped. Bunches. Oh, please. Back, please. Oh, I can't see. Oh, whatever, I'll leave too. No, go away. Please let me be. Oh! That's a close one. I think there's a shelter up here. If I am not mistaken. I am not mistaken. Oh, but there's also scavengers. I don't know if they'll be nice to me or not. Oh, crap. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. I have to get a pearl for the scavengers. Oh, no. Because there's a scavenger troll. They're gonna kill me. Oh, my God. Okay, hold on. I gotta do something real quick. Down this way. And it's not like I searched up where the pearl was or anything, because I'm not like that. Please spare me. I don't have a spear. I just go by you. Yeah, thank you. Please. Yeah. Oh, big room. I'm like, ow. Oh, those guys have spears. I don't want to mess with them, but I have to go down that way. Are they hostile towards me? No. It could be. Good. I'm on the search again. Really? Spare me. Oh. Sorry, I was just like taking in the pearl. Oh, isn't there a rot over there? Oh, now's the hard. Oh, there's a rot right there too. I wonder if I'm screwed. Is there multiple places with rot? Oh, pearl. I'll actually take this. If I can make it to a safe spot with it. Not a safe spot, a shelter. I'm not 100% sure though. Because, that's why. At least these guys are semi-stupid. Although they can hear. Go. Oh, there's two. Ain't that just great? Go. My God. I was so unbelievably stressed out there. You're not even my buddies, actually, shut up. You guys are my ops. Ahem, like I was saying. Just tried to pull me underwater. Oh, quality changes. Weird. Easier area to get to, other than the fact that it's dark all the time. Okay, there's some poppy corn up here. Somewhere. There's also a scavenger trader, so if I find any extra stuff, I'll give it to him. Probably. I'll bring an extra spear up just in case. Okay, now go to the scavenger trader, give him my spear. Hopefully he's friendly, because, you know, he's got some dangerous weapons. Oops. There we go. Oh! Thank you. Is he following me? Why is he following me? You gave that to me. Don't kill me. Although if I see a vulture, I'm gonna kill it. Oh, no. You want this back? I don't need it. It's gonna get stolen from me. Why is he following me? Is he my friend? Are you my friend? Am I chieftain already? Is that what Chieftain does? Do they just follow me? Why is the scavenger trader following me? He's not trying to kill me, so... Good job, bro. He's gonna take your stuff. Oh, is he... Oh, because I have a pearl. Oh, crap. Buddy. No, buddy. Oh, crap. Oh. Killed that thing. Wait a minute, I've been here before. I know where I am. I was literally here earlier. So there's a shelter over to the right. Squidcadas, you're not him. Don't even do damage to me, you're just like obnoxious. Oh, here, another pearl. Beat that. Beat that. 2 pearls. But that. Can I go? Why are you guys so needy? Oh, yes, I can go. Excuse me. This is like stressing me out. I hate scavenger tools. Especially with this right here. Wait, no, stop. No. There's another one right outside here. Probably the easiest creature to pin to the wall would be bat flies. But I would need to get a big room of bat flies. So, to find something like that, I don't think there's... This area is not going to have a big area full of bat flies. What do we got here? Oh, we got Chieftain. Chieftain points. Good fruit. My belly. Wait, how much can I eat? Okay, 2 more. Perfect, 2 more. Let me out. Okay. Eat. And we good. Oh, it's another jetfish out here. Nice. Free jetfish. Come here. Going in the water for a nice little ride. Hopefully no eel lizards. Or whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. Yippee! Yippee! Oh, move out my way. Okay, just so you know, I'm not going up that way because I'm pretty sure that's like really close to death. And this is just food, which I'm good on. So it's down here. About here. I think there's a shelter down here, but I'm not 100% sure. I am correct. Can I... Hello. Up, please. Please. Okay, we good. Good like always. Back to Karma 5 also. That was a long rain time. Okay, so good to know that... Do I get monk? Monk points! I got monk! Okay, 1 more day without hurting anything, I can get saint. And which path do we take? Eeny, meeny, miny, left. I'm more confident in the left path. I don't know why I'm torturing myself to get saint. Maybe because I'm so close. I feel like having a spear would be easier. Plus, I have 2 expedition objectives that require spears. Remember, it looks like the moon is on the right of the map here, and then I have to go right from a specific area, but I don't remember which area it is. I think it's nearby here somewhere. I want this place I'm at. What's the right time around? Ugh. Oh. Yep. This is not the spot. That's towards Shaded Citadel. I'm going the complete wrong way. Okay, we good. Keeping these bat flies. I don't know if they'll stay in here with me. I don't think so, but Saint. These. Oh yeah, Saint. Got Saint. So good. Okay. Can't. Oh wait, what? I can't use passages. Oh no. For no reason, I got Saint for no reason. Oh. Okay, whatever. That is fine. Okay, I can kill this guy. Unless he kills me. Do you want? Oh! Backflip. Jerks. Ooh. Go away. Oh. Go. Eating this. Can't eat him, never mind. Can I go there, please? Oh. I'm just gonna go back and forth till they let me go. Oh, look! Oh, he grabbed me. Soon. Okay, I don't know if I should. Whoa, what's that? Those leeches. Oh. Ooh. Not just leeches. Leviathan. Where's his head? His head's the part you should fear. Oh, I just shocked myself. Wake up. We good? Hey, no spawn camping. Oof. Okay. I thought the monster kill got me. This away. Por favor. And Leviathan. Yep. Go. Go. Oh, crap. Ooh. Yeah, you're kidding. Okay, now where it looks the moon. Over here. Yeah. Just slick like... Oh. Just slick like that. There's a normal pearl. I want that. Well, that's only for scavenger trading. That's its only purpose. In this game. Its only purpose in life is to be a scavenger. Straight. And here we go. Now I shall go this way. Okay, shelter. We're going up. We're about to get one objective completed, and the rest of them we just gotta do stuff. The raiders here. Here I am. Moon. Hey, Moon. I mean, I'm here again. I haven't been here before. Oh, wait, maybe when I first played through. I got a girl for you. This is the one I've already seen before, but it's a bit dusty. But I will do my best. Hold on. Oh, I gotta get voice. Interesting. This one is written by me. It's about an iterator called Sliver of Straw. I don't remember when I wrote it. Do you know Sliver of Straw? She's quite legendary among us. Among us! Sliver of Straw is the only one to ever broadcast a specific signal. That's the big problem we're all working on. It has been solved. The triple affirmative. Affirmative that a solution has been found, affirmative that the solution is portable, and affirmative that a technical implementation is possible and generally applicable. She's also one of the few who has ever been confirmed as exhaustively incapacitated or dead. You do not die easily. I'm butchering this. Sliver of Straw sent this, and the ensuing commotion was historically unparalleled. Before or after? I still remember it, but nothing happened, except that Sliver of Straw was apparently dead. When the dust settled, we were all still there blinking at each other. Everyone had a theory. Some say that she did have a solution, but that the solution itself was somehow dangerous. These later became known as the triangulators, who think that a solution should be inferred without being directly discovered. Can I give you my other pearl now? Yeah. Wait, take this one. We'll take a look. Yes, read the pearl. This one is authored by Five Pebbles when he was young. There has been an attempt to scramble the data, but it's sloppily done, and most is still somewhat legible. I am illegible. It's written in internal language, or thoughts, so it's hard for me to translate so you would understand. It's a methodology for global ascension, of course, quite good, though the peripherists or the slab mongers certainly wouldn't agree. Considering the 8th and the 26th amendments of the Capricious Dogma. Dogma? Wait. Dogma Binding of Isaac? We are apparently supposed to take for granted that a meaning collector point inversion is the only way to approach what has later become referred to as noise milking, or occasionally rock swatting. What the heck? I will argue my disagreement with this, not in regards to kind, but in regards to, could it say, volume. Actually, are we getting anything out of this? No, I am not. No. I'm not getting anything out of this, but I need to do this for fourth wall breaking purposes. Suppose he found this in his waste department. I would be wary of going there. On his first fit of corruption, he dumped a lot of infected material there, and it has survived. It could easily eat a little creature like you. Not that it would be dangerous going into Pebbles himself. Yeah, I know, rot. I already got past. Those guys are stupid. I walked right by him. Also, the pearls in the waste masses inevitably attract scavengers, which can be very dangerous when provoked. Yeah, I know. But you seem to have made it out of there. Yep. I'm just that good. Alright, bye, Moon. Anyway, is to eat the jellyfish. Only way out is through. Lost my karma over you. You like my singing? It's probably very bad. Wasn't trying that hard, definitely. Please say there's something helpful. Just so you know, I don't need to get all this food. I only need like 4. The extra 3 is just for like convenience, because it saves over the next day. I was right. This is not a good area. I will check my map, mental map. Since there is no money, time is not money. Jetfish, maybe? Yeah. Crap. Please. There was one time I was doing this and the jetfish knocked me down into the water, and they kept knocking me down in the water, and I just drowned. Wait, this reminds me of Shade Citadel area. Oh, this is Shade Citadel area. Oh, I went the right way. Unbeknownst to me, I went the right way. That would make me die. I would get stabbed, and then I would be pulled into a hole, and I'll be eaten, probably. Or digested. I don't know how the monster kelp work. They're just kind of there, and they're kind of annoying. Open up! Please. Look. Okay, hopefully there's no spiders over here. Because I'm pretty sure there can be. But maybe that's just Rivulet's campaign. Free food. Always welcome. Because it's a little bit of parkour. So if I die, greatly unappreciated. It all matters. Oh, he just died. Okay. Wow. Good. I don't want you here. Whoa. It's not a full block. Okay. Home stretch. Home free. I don't know where to go from here. Can you move? When I said I knew Shade Citadel well, I kind of lied. Is that a block? Yeah. Okay. I mean, not blocks. Not blocks. I'm just kidding. There is something over here. Okay, good to know. I would really like to have that light, but I'm not going to fight you for that because then my reputation will go down. With the scavs. And that'll be devastating. I agree. Okay, I know where the black lizards are. But that'll have to be for another time because I'm running out of time here. So, adios, I guess. Oh boy. Wait, hold on. Chieftain. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Okay.